What if I told you don't need a gym, expensive supplements, or even an hour a day to transform your body? Just one simple exercise, push-ups. But here's the truth. It's not about doing 100 push-ups a day. It's about doing the right number the right way. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever. They build your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, even your mindset. But the biggest question is, how many push-ups do you actually need to transform your body? Let's break it down the simplest way possible. If you are a beginner, meaning you can barely do 5 to 10 push-ups, your goal is not transformation yet. Your goal is foundation. Start with 10 to 20 push-ups per day, broken into sets. For example, 5 push-ups, 4 sets. Focus on perfect form, slow movement, full range of motion. At this stage, your body is adapting. Your muscles are waking up. Your strength is building. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you will feel stronger, more stable, and more confident. Now let's say you can do around 20 to 30 push-ups in one go. Now we enter the growth zone. Here's your target, 50 to 100 push-ups per day, but don't just do them randomly. Structure matters. Try this. 4 sets of 15 to 25 push-ups. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Now your muscles are under real tension. This is where your chest starts to shape up, your arms get defined, and your shoulders pop. If you stay consistent for 30 days, people will start noticing changes. If you are already strong and can do 40 plus push-ups in one set, now it's time to push limit. Target 150 to 300 push-ups per day. But here's the twist. Don't just increase number, increase intensity. Add variation like decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, explosive push-ups. Break them into 6 to 10 sets throughout the day. This is where real transformation happens. Muscle growth, endurance, strength, everything level up. Now listen carefully. Doing 100 push-ups every day does not grant a great body. Why? Because transformation depends on 3 things. Progressive overload, recovery, nutrition. If you are doing the same number every day, your body adapts and stops growing. So instead follow this rule, increase reps or difficulty every week. Here's a simple 30-day push-ups plan you can follow. If you stay consistent, your body will change. Most people mess up here. Bad push-ups equal no result. Remember, keep your body straight. Go all the way down. Full lockout at the top. Control every rep. Quality beats quantity always. If you follow this correctly, here's what happens. In 2 weeks, you will feel stronger. In 4 weeks, you look tighter and more defined. In 8 to 12 weeks, visible chest, strong arms, better posture. But only if you stay consistent. Push-ups alone can transform your body, but only to a certain level. If you want a full static physique, you will eventually need pull exercises, leg training, proper diet. But push-ups are the best place to start. So don't overthink it. Start today. Even if you can only do 5 push-ups, do them. Because small reps done daily create big transformation. Comment below how many push-ups can you do right now. And if you are serious about transforming your body, hit subscribe because we are just getting started.